Hey, it's Randy and Joe here with Century 21. We've been talking to you about the escrow process, and the second in a series of videos we wanted to share with you has to do with the request for repair. Joe, can you tell them a little bit?
Yeah, so a request for repairs is something that has been misunderstood in some transactions. And first of all, when it happens is right after the investigation stage. So with that being said, a request for repairs can work in many different ways. There's many ways to present that to a seller. Number one way is to request to have the work that was needed to be done and completed. Number two, the other one would be to basically ask for a credit when the closing happens towards fees as escrow fees and such, closing fees. The third would be to do a price reduction, which happens quite often. So that's the third. However, something to point out, let's say you ask for a credit of $14,000 and the escrow fees and closing costs were only $12,000. Well, you might just want to do a reduction in price instead of requesting it the other way. So just wanted to point that out because there's many different ways to present that. So with that being said, I would ask Randy, what do you think? Is there some other items or other ways to present that to someone?
I think the important thing to remember is just that the request for repair is a courtesy, an option that the buyer has to do. The seller is under no obligation to do the repairs. They have to keep in mind as they think about things that they want to do that if they can't work that part of the process out, the buyer has no obligation to go through with the purchase. So that's the important.
Although they do risk losing the buyer. So well said, Randy. So we have been ending our little videos with a quote. And so Randy, if you can take us away with our quote of the day.
Okay, here it is. Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best.
All right, take care, y'all. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.
Until next time. Bye.
Bye.